Diplomatic engagement by the IPOB leadership on a global scale is a positive development. Since its inception, IPOB has adopted a legal and strategic approach that has progressively weakened the Nigerian state. Over the past decade, the Nigerian federal government has aggressively targeted IPOB, employing violence and intimidation against its members, resulting in numerous killings, abductions, and brutal assaults. Despite this, IPOB has consistently upheld a stance of peace and nonviolence, opting for legal and systematic engagements rather than retaliatory violence. For over 10 years, the Nigerian government has resorted to using sycophants and compromised media to discredit IPOB. Yet, in the face of these attempts to smear its reputation, IPOB has responded with civility, debunking falsehoods and propaganda. Meanwhile, the global community has been observing IPOB's commitment to peaceful resolutions as they build a case for their vision of Biafra. Under the guidance of its principled leadership, IPOB has demonstrated a firm commitment to nonviolent engagement. They have repeatedly called for a UN-supervised referendum for the people of Biafra, reinforcing their stance for a peaceful separation from Nigeria. Unfortunately, the current government has overlooked this peaceful call, choosing instead to respond with violence and coercion against the Biafran people. Such brutality only serves to falsely portray IPOB as a violent movement in the eyes of the world. The leadership of IPOB, known as the DOS, comprises educated, intelligent, and strategic individuals dedicated to diplomatic engagement. They have deliberately avoided retaliation or escalation into violence, which has effectively highlighted the Nigerian government's role in the intimidation and suppression of IPOB and the Biafran people. Today, thanks to the diplomatic efforts of the current IPOB leadership and their established legacy, the organization is engaging with concerned citizens worldwide. Individuals of good conscience have recognized the authenticity of IPOB as a non-violent movement, and there is a growing consensus on the urgency of Biafra's exit from Nigeria. We commend the IPOB leadership for their tenacity and strategic foresight throughout these years. Despite facing significant aggression from the Nigerian government, they have successfully maintained a non-violent and thoughtful approach to their struggle. The movement will continue its efforts, undeterred. Family Writers Press International.